Consider 3 towns and the direct flights between each of these towns. Set this up as a matrix and find f squared. What does f squared tell you? So if we have a from, and I'll have S, B and P, and up here we'll go 2, and we need to have these in the same order, S, B, P. So S to S we can see no routes. There's a direct route from S to B and from S to P. From B to S there's a route, not from B to B, but there is one from B to P. And then P to S can be done, P to B, but not P to P. So what we can say is that the matrix F is 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. We now want to find f squared. So that's going to be 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0 multiplied by itself. So 3 by 3 times a 3 by 3 is going to give us a 3 by 3. So top times left, 0, add 1, add 1. Top times the middle is going to give us 0, 0, 1. Top times right, 0, 1, 0. So that's a 1. Then use the center here times the left, so that's going to be 0, 0, 1. And then we're going to have 1, 0, 1, so that's going to be a 2. And then we're going to have 1, 0, 0, so that's a 1. And then the bottom, so that's 0, 1, 0, so that's a 1. 1, 0, 0. And then 1, add 1, add 0, so that's f squared. Now, what does f squared tell you? Well, I can tell you it's the two-stage journeys. Just as an example, let's consider this 2 here, which would be S to S. There's 2 ways of doing that. We could go to B and then fly back again, or we could go to P and then fly back again. So there's 2 ways of going from S to S. But there's only one two-stage journey that takes us from S to B. So let's just look at that. A two-stage journey from S to B would be go to P and then go to B. And there's no other way of doing that, and that's why that one's a 1.